Scientific debate and speculation erupted almost instantly upon the detection of this mysterious visitor from beyond our solar system. Its trajectory, its elongated shape, and its inexplicable behaviors made it one of the greatest enigmas of modern astronomy. Unlike anything ever observed, this object defied classification, eluded clear explanations, and ignited passionate discussions among scientists and the general public alike. Now, thanks to the unparalleled capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, we have something we never had before, the first real image of this elusive interstellar traveler. Oumuamua, a name derived from Hawaiian meaning scout or messenger, looked like nothing we'd ever seen before. Its shape alone raised eyebrows, elongated and irregular, sparking curiosity. But even more bizarre was its behavior. Unlike comets, it had no visible tail, no signs of outgassing, no cloud of vaporized material trailing behind it. It was dry and silent. And unlike asteroids, its acceleration away from the sun couldn't be explained by gravity or known forces. This unexplained boost left researchers scratching their heads. Since its discovery, a cascade of hypotheses has been put forward to explain what it might be, ranging from fragments of hydrogen ice to the possibility that it is a spacecraft designed by an advanced civilization. The range of theories spoke volumes about the extraordinary nature of this object. But despite the many ideas presented, no answer had been conclusive, until now. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope was engineered with a mission to solve the deepest mysteries of the universe. It boasts unprecedented sensitivity, capable of detecting faint glimmers of infrared light from the earliest galaxies and distant phenomena. Its ability to observe the infrared spectrum allows it to capture details impossible for other telescopes to perceive. When Webb turned its powerful gaze toward Oumuamua, now much farther from our solar system, it captured something incredible, the first real image of this mysterious interstellar object. It was a momentous achievement that brought clarity to what had previously been abstract speculation. The image Webb produced confirmed what could only be imagined before. Oumuamua had an elongated and asymmetrical shape, with a surface marked by grooves and craters, clear indicators of billions of years traveling through the harsh environment of interstellar space. But perhaps what is most surprising is the composition of its surface. Webb's instruments detected complex organic compounds and elements not commonly found in our solar system. This, of course, suggests that Oumuamua originated in a cosmic environment very different from our own. The surface wasn't just marked by age, it was chemically unique, indicating a birth in a distant, perhaps exotic, part of the galaxy. One of the biggest enigmas of Oumuamua has always been its synonymous acceleration as it leaves our solar system. Many believed this acceleration was caused by outgassing, an effect seen in comets when sunlight heats their icy surfaces, but Webb's observations have definitively ruled out this theory. There was no vapor, no gas emission. Instead, these observations have raised new possibilities, some more intriguing than others. One compelling theory that has gained attention is that the acceleration could be caused by an exotic mechanism, specifically, something known as a light sail. This hypothetical technology would use the pressure of light to propel an object through space, much like a sailboat uses the wind. The idea, once confined to the pages of science fiction, now stood before scientists as a plausible explanation. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope's ability to analyze the light reflected by Oumuamua, scientists have been able to unravel the composition of its surface more thoroughly than ever before. The data reveals a mix of metallic and mineral compounds previously unknown in the solar system, along with traces of elements that could form organic molecules. The significance of this finding is immense. Among the most fascinating discoveries is the presence of a highly reflective material that could explain Oumuamua's unusual brightness. This material, which glinted even in the depths of space, may have contributed to earlier confusion about its nature. Additionally, compounds were identified that suggest Oumuamua may have formed in a young, dynamic star system, a place where the conditions for creating exotic materials were ripe. These discoveries offer key clues about the processes occurring in regions of the universe where matter is organized in completely different ways than in our own cosmic neighborhood. It broadens our understanding not just of Oumuamua, but of how star systems evolve and how complex materials may form elsewhere in the galaxy. One of the most recent and compelling theories suggests that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a planet destroyed by extreme gravitational forces. Imagine a massive star or a nearby black hole stretching and tearing a planet apart, reducing it to debris with bizarre and unusual shapes. If this theory is correct, then Oumuamua would be a survivor of a catastrophic event, an interstellar messenger carrying with it the broken history of a lost world. This possibility opens up an entirely new window for studying how star systems evolve and change over time, and how violent, catastrophic events can give rise to objects that eventually end up traveling through the galaxy. These fragments, shaped by forces beyond our current experience, could be roaming the stars in silence, waiting to be discovered. The presence of organic compounds on Oumuamua's surface has led to even more astonishing speculations, namely, about its potential role as a carrier of the building blocks of life in a universe teeming with possibilities. Could Oumuamua be a natural vehicle for distributing organic molecules to other star systems? This phenomenon, known as interstellar panspermia, raises the extraordinary possibility that objects like Oumuamua may play a crucial role in spreading the ingredients necessary for life across the cosmos. It's a hypothesis that not only redefines our understanding of the universe but also makes us question whether our own existence might be linked to similar events that occurred in Earth's distant past. What if life on Earth had, in part, been seeded by a wandering object like Oumuamua, carrying with it the ancient codes of life from a faraway world? Oumuamua is more than just an interstellar object. It is a time capsule that carries with it stories of cosmic events that occurred billions of years ago. Its study not only teaches us about its origin but also about how star systems interact and evolve across the galaxy. In addition, the analysis of Oumuamua lays the groundwork for future missions designed to intercept and study such interstellar travelers. These missions offer a fresh perspective on galactic dynamics, providing valuable insights into the nature of matter, motion, and the processes shaping our universe. This discovery serves as a stark reminder that the universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and Oumuamua is just the beginning of what lies beyond. Oumuamua has not only challenged our scientific theories but also our perception of our place in the universe. Its arrival reminds us that we are a small part of a vast and immense cosmos, a cosmos where extraordinary events occur continuously, even far beyond our current sight or understanding. If this object does indeed have an artificial origin, then it could represent the first indirect contact with an extraterrestrial intelligence. Such a possibility would transform our entire understanding of life and intelligence in the universe, forcing us to reimagine what it means to be alone, or not, in the vast reaches of space. Oumuamua has undoubtedly inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers to think beyond the boundaries of our solar system. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which seeks to develop tiny, light-driven probes capable of reaching relativistic speeds, are just the beginning of a bold new era of interstellar exploration. These future missions could do more than just observe. They could intercept objects like Oumuamua, study their characteristics in unprecedented detail, and help us answer questions that have remained unsolved for decades. With each discovery, we move closer to a future where humanity can not only observe the universe but also interact with it in ways we can only now begin to imagine. The interstellar messenger, Oumuamua, is much more than an object that briefly crossed our solar system. It is an open door to a universe full of possibilities and unresolved mysteries. Its discoveries have transformed modern astronomy, inspiring questions about our origins, our place in the cosmos, and our collective future. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we have taken another step forward in understanding what it truly means to be a part of such a vast and complex universe. Oumuamua is, in conclusion, a powerful reminder that although we are small, our curiosity and our desire to explore make us great. The universe invites us to dream, to question, to reach beyond. And Oumuamua is just the beginning of it. What other secrets await us out there among the stars? Only time, and our tireless pursuit of knowledge, will tell. Now, we invite you to leave us your thoughts in the comment box below. What do you think Oumuamua is really telling us? If you want to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to stay curious, stay engaged, and keep reaching for the stars. As we look deeper into Oumuamua's secrets, we realize that its fleeting journey through our solar system was anything but random. Its passage may have lasted only a short time from our perspective, just a few months in late 2017, but its impact on the scientific community and on the collective imagination of humankind has been profound. It has shifted paradigms, disrupted old models of astrophysical behavior, and raised existential questions about the nature of intelligence, exploration, and cosmic communication. The mystery surrounding it continues to fuel theories, even now, years after it disappeared from the reach of Earth-based telescopes. One particularly provocative idea gaining traction among some researchers and astrobiologists is that Oumuamua was not only an interstellar artifact but perhaps a deliberately designed reconnaissance object. Could it have been sent, either recently or in the distant